Has your loved one or client said to you, I want to go home? And it's irrelevant whether or not they're in memory care, assisted living, your house, or heck, the house they've lived in for the last 39 years. And is it just frustrating you to no end because they will not stop saying it no matter how many times you say, you are home? In this video, I'm going to tell you the big mistake that most caregivers make when they're responding to this, exactly what your loved one or client means when they're telling you this, and how you can best respond to this with examples so you know exactly what to do and you finally have some peace. Welcome to Dementia Success Path. I'm Krista, and this is the place where we talk about tips, strategies, and support so that you can find success on your path as a caregiver. Now, if you haven't already, make sure to like this video, hit the subscribe button, and also hit the notification bell so you actually get alerted anytime we have a new video. Now, we're gonna jump right on in. Mom, what are you doing? I'm packing up to go home. Mom, you've lived in this house for the last 39 years. No, I haven't. I'm going home. When your loved one or client says that they need to go home or that they want to go home, they don't actually mean a physical place. That is the big mistake that most caregivers make when they respond to someone with dementia saying this. What they actually mean are three things. They want the feelings of comfort, safety, and familiarity, because all of that seems to be taken away when you have dementia. And the best way to respond is figuring out how you can respond to these three needs that your loved one or client is having difficulty expressing to you. I'm going to share with you three examples of how you can appropriately respond to each of these concerns so that this doesn't keep coming up over and over and over again because it's an unmet need that they're struggling to express to you. I want to go home. I want to go home. Okay, what is at home that you need? I want out of this wheelchair and I want to go to bed. Okay, it sounds like you need to go to the bathroom and you need to go to bed. Okay. When your loved one or your client is seeking comfort when they're asking or telling you that they want to go home, what they may be looking for is physical comfort, like bathroom, food, being tired, that kind of stuff, or an emotional comfort, like they're missing somebody or they want a comfort item, things of that nature. A way that you can respond, like the caregiver did in the example, is asking them, what about home do they need? And that way they can tell you that they're tired, they're hungry, or they miss somebody, or they need something. They're able to tell you what is actually at the root of, I want to go home. I want to go home. Let me out of here. Okay, what is at home that you need? I need to go home and get away from that person. Okay. Well, how about we get you out of the room, away from this person so they don't keep bugging you? Yes. A lot of times when someone is asking to go home, they are looking for the safety that home is providing for them. Like in the example, our person is scared of either a delusion or somebody that they're seeing in the room, and they want to go home so that they can feel safe again. And again, like in the previous example, the way that you can best figure this out is ask them, what about home do they need or are they looking for? And that way you can get to the root of what is actually bothering them. Hey Norma, what are you up to? I'm going home. Okay, what's at home that you need to get to? My kids are at home and they need me. Okay, your kids? How old are your kids? They're 3, 5, and 10. Okay, great. Let me call your husband and see if he's there with them, just so that you don't have to worry anymore, okay? Okay, yes, please. When your loved one or client is looking for familiarity behind the phrase, I want to go home, what they're looking for are the specific people, places, and things that feel familiar to them because everything else in their life is just radically unfamiliar at this point. And this can be tricky because we don't always know when our loved one or client believe that they are in their life. Sometimes they believe they're in their 20s when you're talking to them. Sometimes they believe they're children themselves. So figuring that out is very key. And the way we can do that is similar to this example, is asking them, well, what's at home that you're looking for? And she told her kids are at home. So that tells you even more. And then asking them how old are the kids will tell you even more about where she's at with her memory and where she thinks she is in space and time. In this scenario, when you clearly cannot give them the specific time, places, people, things that they're looking for because it's in the future, what you can do is go along with their reality as best you can. And this can be you validating them, you telling them that you're taking care of the situation and that they are going to be reunited with the people that they want to see, or all the things that they need are going to be taken care of. That I've seen has been by far the best way to approach and respond to this situation. If you want more detailed strategies and tips, be sure to sign up for my newsletter in the description box below. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you're alerted to new videos. I so appreciate you watching my videos, and I really hope to see you in the next one.